Time for some AC power up today on KungFuMaintenance.
4.16, it's weak. 4.6?
Yeah.
It's still weak. 4.75 would be good on a 5 microfarad capacitor. Yeah, that one's
Welcome back to KungFuMaintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
So capacitor all disconnected, fuse is pulled, capacitor discharged, capacitors discharged, and testing it. Got 26, 25, that's bad. And the fan capacitor, 4.99. So the fan cap's fine, but the capacitor's bad. So we need a new 35. Go grab that. And it's time for me to restock on capacitors and need to order a bunch more. There's too many of these are bad. But it's
4.6.
4.16, it's weak. 4.6?
Yeah.
It's still weak. 4.75 would be good on a 5 microfarad capacitor. Yeah, that one's bad. How is the regular one? Or that triple fan one for now?
I know.
I've been changing to these Titan Pro capacitors. They're holding up much better than the Supco capacitors, and they just suck.
Oh.
I'm so done with Supco. I'm tempted to even change this fan Supco one out just to a Titan Pro, but it tested good, so I'm going to leave it. But probably be back next year. There we go. All our connections are good. It's important that the connections are good. There's places for heat to build up.
24.17.
24.17?
Yeah.
So it's weak.
Weak?
Yeah. So that one's getting Titan Pro all the way.
All the way, they're both all good.
Yeah. There we go. Okay, this one is ready to run. The fuses are in the deal. Oh, I need to reconnect my fan. Can't run without the fan capacitor. There we go. That one's a little weak, so we'll tighten that up. Nice day in December. 2 weeks to Christmas, and we're working on air conditions. It's great. Alright, this one, tracing the conduit back far in there. Put it back in. And get the cover back on. Make that good. There we go. And now I can test it out and just make sure the fan's spinning the correct way. Done deal. Okay, I'm going to put the cover back on, and we're all set.
A quick search on my YouTube channel of whatever your maintenance needs are. You should find a bunch of different material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs.